This is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to ordering phones from 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, pinduoduo, or iBookfish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see step by step on how to order phones from 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here, open up my 1688 shopping app. Then after open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for different types of phone from different manufacturer across China with this particular Chinese shopping app 1688. There are so many ways to search for phone sellers on this app. One of the first way is to simply come to the top right here. What you need to do is to simply type in the name of the phone you are looking for. Like for instance, I'm looking for Galaxy Ultra 25. So I'm going to click on here and type in Galaxy Ultra 25. Then I'll click on search. And in a few seconds, it's going to give you your search result. Just like what you see right here. Then you can simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more different supplier is going to load up as the case may be. So you can scroll down right here, just like so. So continue to scroll down. So alternatively, you can simply come to the top right here and search by category of new products. So click on that. Then you see foldable and different types of Samsung new products, just like so. Then you can continue to scroll down. And also, this is also the way and manner you can also search for phone accessory. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up from different manufacturer with this particular Chinese shopping. So what we want to do now is to simply go ahead and place order. So you can scroll down. So I'm going to simply go back to the main search result right here. Then under the main search result right here, I will simply select on a particular seller. So what you need to do right here is to make sure you actually know the type of phone you are looking for and the fashion you are looking for. So in this regard, I'm going to go for Galaxy 25 Ultra, and at the same time, I'm going for UK fashion. So those are the things you need to take into consideration before you go ahead and place order for phone on 1688. So you can, the more you scroll down, like I said, the more different product is going to load up. Let's say, for instance, I want to contact this particular supplier right here. What we want to do is to simply click on the product link. So after you click on the product link, allow it to load up and it takes you to the product sales page right here. In some cases, when you click on the product link, the product picture or video might look different. This is because there are so many product video and picture that can be uploaded by different supplier. If you swipe this way, you see more product picture, just like so. Then you can also come to the top right here, click on this icon to play the product video. Now, before you can go ahead and make a purchase from this particular store, you can simply scroll down and check detail about the product. This is the store, different type of product they have in the store. Then you can see this is a commercial product video. Then we can simply scroll down and check on the product picture. Just like what you see right here, you can see 7.3-inch HD, storage capacity 16 gig, then 50 plus and 108 MP. You can scroll down and check on the detail as far as this is concerned. It also comes with ChatGPT and 8,000 battery capacity. That's huge. Then you can see the processor right here, CPU, and it is a dual SIM Samsung Galaxy. You can scroll down and see more product picture right here. Continue to scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different type of product picture. However, this depends on the type, on the number of product picture that has been uploaded by the supplier. Now, when you get to this point right here, one of the reasons why you will know that this product here is a global fashion are this stuff right here. So if you see any phone with the Google Play Store, it means that anybody can use the phone outside China. It means it is an indication, because it is an indication of global fashion of phone. So you can be sure that once you make a purchase of this phone, you can use it anywhere in the world outside China. You can scroll down and then more and then more. So this is the last section of the product picture, which has to do with ChatGPT. You can see it has ChatGPT, it has Bing, ChatGPT, and the likes. As simple as that. Now, one of the things you need to take into consideration before you go ahead and make a purchase from the store, you still need to communicate with them. And for you to communicate with them, simply click on here. So in this tutorial, to make this tutorial short, I have contacted the seller and I have communicated with them. They have assured me that they have the product in store. Just like this is all my chat with the supplier from the top right here. So you can see all my chats with them. So, and they assure me that the product is very much available and it can be used outside China, which is a global fashion. So the only thing they told me is to make sure I choose the color and the specification, which is what they wrote right here. It's as simple as that. So once you are able to chat them up, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place the order. And for me to place the order, what I need to do is simply click on here to place order directly. So right here, so I need UK fashion. So I'm going to simply select on UK fashion. Having selected on UK fashion, I need this particular color right here. What I need is just one pieces. I'm going to click on here. It has been added. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like so, from the checkout right here, what you need to do is to simply click on here to change your means of payment if eventually you cannot pay with Alipay. So you can see there are two means of payment with this supplier, Alipay or other means of payment right here. But in my own case, I'm going to make use of Alipay. So I will simply click on here to close this pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout and make payments. Then at this point here, I will enter my Alipay payment password. As simple as that. Payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pump up. Then I can simply click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, you can see we have a notifications right here. I'm going to simply click on that. So just like so, we have the phone successfully purchased right here. So from here, the supplier will ship the product out of their store to my Chinese warehouse freight forwarder address in China. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply ordering phone from 1688 Chinese shopping app, a step-by-step guide tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.